Hello, family and friends. It's always good to come your way showing another recipe. Thank you. Come around, subscribe. Hello. So, on this note, we need our pepper, our tomatoes, our herrings. You have to chop off. It's rather smoked. So, as you see, we are removing the scales. Yeah, and also the skeletons from it. It should be well done so that even the children can also take this fish. It's so delicious taking this fish, but it's quite the skeleton inside. It needs a bit of tact to have it nicely done. So it's nicely done in a pan. We are on our blender trying to blend some ingredients Wow. So you pour all these together into, you will bring it to boil together with the ingredients. This contains ginger, pepper, tomatoes, our spices and everything. So we are just rinsing the blender and adding the other nutrients that were stuck in. Dicing this onion, and we are blending all the palm nuts, everything through pounding. So these are palm nuts. In fact, we have the agric type and we have the local type. On the market, I bought a mixture of those. I have the boiled. So these are boiled palm nuts that I've placed into the palm nut mortar with the pestle, the aid of the pestle. I'm having it pounded. When it's well pounded, you realize that it's only the fibers that coats the palm nuts that will surface. This is quite laborious. It's a good form of exercise. So for those who like exercising, perhaps you should stop the running around and busy yourself with these kind of exercises. We have our diced onions, which are being poured into our recipe that is already steaming on the gas stove. We are now cutting our tomato mix and pouring it in. These are tomato paste. It should be able to mix well with the other ingredients as the recipe steams on. So as we see, it's boiling, it's steaming. So now we have, as you saw, us pounding the palm nuts in the mortar. It's well pounded now. We have hot water in the pan. We are trying to create a pulp. So here we see I've emptied the inside of the fiber. Now it has turned into fiber and nuts. See the nuts, the palm nuts, the kernels. Okay, this is the fiber bit. So this fiber bit, if it is not well pounded, it means you have to re-pound it again. This is hot water. This is hot water. You know, it is, palm nut has oil. You know, we make palm oil even out of palm nuts. So when you are mixing it, you need very hot water. That at least your hand can manage. So this you need a bit of it. Colander is used to sieve the pulp and the fiber from the generated palm nuts, which we mixed with the hot water. So there we go, we see the fiber which will not go in there. That's the kernels showing in the pic. All these are byproducts of the palm nuts. People also use it by way of making something edible from it. You generate palm kernels from the palm kernel oil. The fiber can be used to make fire. So as you see, we would sieve it, and we are sieving it again onto our steamed ingredients which were on the fire together with the herrings. So we are in the process of doing the palm nut soup. This is the second straining with the colander. Yes, we have to hit the top of the colander to ensure that all the mixture is well sealed. So we have our palm nuts. It's a raw material. We can derive palm kernel oil from it. We can derive so many things. When you crack it, inside there are some nice nuts that also have its own nutrient that it provides. So maybe next time we'll embark on that spree. For now, we are just going to throw it out. Do subscribe to this channel for more recipes. This Ab3nkwan or palm nut soup. Oh wow! So this is called Prekese. It's in bundles like this on the market. I want to put only 2. You have to get it washed, well washed. I'm trying to break it into 2 so that at least the other one is a bit hard. So I'm going. There we go with our palm nut soup boiling. You are invited to it when it cooks. You have it with, you are doing rice balls.